What's going on, guys? Connor here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how this one Shopify app generated my store over $141,000 in just the span of 3 months. Let's do it. The app is called Vitals 40, and before you guys click off this video, I know what you're probably thinking. Connor, I've already heard of Vitals. What makes this video special, right? For you guys who have already heard of Vitals, this video is going to be really important to you because I'm going to be going into detail exactly how I break down all of my apps inside Vitals, exactly what combination of apps are the best to use in order for you guys to generate extra revenue and increase your profitability. At the end of the day, you're an entrepreneur, you're a business owner, you want to maximize your profit. Revenue is great and all, but maximizing your profit is where the money is at. And for those of you who haven't heard of Vitals, this video will also be important to you because you guys are going to learn more about how exactly you can get this app as a beginner and get it up and running on your store today. So what is Vitals? Vitals 40 basically bundles all the great apps that you need as a dropshipper and puts them all in one. And no, I'm not a salesperson for Vitals. I mean, I think it's a great app. I do have an affiliate link. That's not why I'm making this video. I'm making this video because when I first started dropshipping, and even now, there's so much misinformation out there about, what combination of apps you need. If you need this currency converter and this upsell app and this volume discount app, there's so many different apps out there to choose from, right? The reason I'm making this video is because I want to provide you guys what I've found to be my solution to not knowing which apps to get for my Shopify store. So Vitals is a great kind of one-stop shop, and that's why I think you really get the most bang for your buck from this app, right? Vitals didn't pay me to make this video. I do have an affiliate link, but the reason I'm making this is because I truly enjoy the app. I love Vitals just because it has generated me so much money. Like, as you guys can see, and as you'll see when I go into my computer, it's generated me over $141,000. $141,000 is an insane amount of money just from one app. And it's literally one app inside of Vitals, right? So it's the volume discounts app inside of Vitals. And it's just crazy to think that, one app generated me that much money when it only costs, I think it's like $29 or $30 a month, which is a great price considering all the other apps that, are included in it. In my opinion, this is the perfect all-in-one app for beginning dropshippers and even intermediate dropshippers. And before we jump into my computer, I did want to say that I will be announcing the winner of last video's giveaway. And that's a massive giveaway, right? So that giveaway was 2-hour consulting call with myself and my friend Brandon. And basically, it's going to be a 2-hour mentorship call. So if you guys are here for that giveaway, stay tuned till the end of the video and make sure you watch all the way through, and we'll be selecting the winner at the very end live on this video. So really excited about that, but now let's go ahead and jump right into my computer where I will go into detail exactly how I set up the Vitals 40 app. As you guys can see, right now we are inside of my computer, and right there, Vitals generated you an additional revenue for 2,848 orders worth $141,000 in revenue that this app generated me, right? So I'm not lying. I'm not trying to clickbait you guys. This app did indeed generate $141,000 for me. So know what you're thinking. How did this get done, Connor? Are you BSing me? What's going on here? What's the catch, right? There really is no catch. The way I did this, right, was using this volume discounts app. So in Vitals, there is a bunch of different types of apps that you have. So you have apps to boost your revenue, which probably you guys are most interested in. And those 3 apps are product bundles, volume discounts, and pre-orders. So say you have a launch coming and your product's not necessarily available, you can set pre-orders there basically for that pre-order app. For volume discounts, that's the app that I used. Basically, we'll get into that later. And then for product bundles, you can bundle some of your most popular products together and give your customers a small discount or a large discount to entice them to buy. So for capturing more leads, we have Wheel of Fortune and Smart Bar. Get your customers to trust you. There's product reviews in there. It's similar to Luke's and Alley reviews, right? Exactly. You can actually import your Luke's and your Alley reviews into the product review app. You have your trust seals and badges. I have that on my store. Basically, anything in the green dot is enabled on my store. Anything with the red circle is not enabled on my store. So we have payment logos, recent sales pop, Instagram feed if you want to put that at the bottom of your page. I know that some big influencers always recommend having, if you have big influencers for your Shopify store, then I do recommend including that on your Instagram, including the Instagram feed. Increasing your conversion rate is another select group of apps. We have stock urgency, sticky add to cart, which I think is great. I actually have a different add to cart. I have sticky add to cart Pro, I think is what it's called, enabled, so I don't have the sticky add to cart enabled on Vitals, but you can put it on there. You have shipping information, recently viewed, related products, all of that stuff. I have animated cart on my animated add to cart. Basically, the add to cart just jiggles on my page, or it can, you know, bounce or flash, whatever you want it to do. So that takes out, you know, another. I know there's an app out there that's like $10, $12. For reduced cart abandonment, you have cart reserved. That works great. Hiding PayPal in the cart, I highly recommend to do. And then protecting your store, you know, cookies bar protection plus hide best selling. That's all really, really important to make sure other dropshippers don't copy you. And then also to make sure that you are covering your bases in terms of liability for your store when people go on there and search it. Improving the shopping experience, currency converter is a must. You definitely have to have that one. And then I also have search autocomplete, right? So say, you know, when you're typing in your address on the store, if you type in your address and it doesn't autocomplete, that can be a huge turnoff for customers. So making sure that that is enabled is a large, I wouldn't say it's a large revenue booster, but it definitely is an extra little tweak that can really help people convert because their address is basically already going to be auto-completed in the form. So that's one I use. And then fine-tuning your store, I just removed the Shopify branding. So the little powered by Shopify at the bottom of your store, it takes that off for you. You can do it manually in your code. If you're not as, you know, accustomed to writing the code and editing Shopify code, then I would recommend definitely using the removing Shopify branding button. And there's a lot of other stuff on here, right? We have zip code, agree to terms and conditions, external links, back to top button. So there's a lot of apps in here, right, that you guys can go into and test out. But, you know, for me, my store has, you know, it's got around 12,000 orders right now. And, you know, 2,848 of those orders were basically upsells that I used using this app right here. So the volume discounts app, I'll go ahead and click into this. I'm going to have to blur some of this out just because it is showing my product and it is showing what I have going on here. But I'll just kind of go through and show you guys exactly what's going on. So I have, you know, in the name of my group, I have buy more, pay less. And, you know, all you have to do basically is go in here and hit create group. And then you have the fixed price discount, section, title, color, whatever you want to do. It just gives you a little warning here. And then what you can do is basically you can select what tiers you want, right? So when you're selecting kind of like volume discount tiers for all products, you just hit add new tier. And all you're going to do is basically type in whatever you want here, and then you can do dollars off each or percentage off each, right? So if you're doing dollars off, so say you have two and you want to do $10 off each, which is kind of a hefty discount, I would probably do more like $5 off each. That's what you do. And then basically when you go to your store, right under your add to cart button, it'll show, you know, buy two, you'll get $5 off, right? So if you want to do that, you can do that. Or the way I set it up is, let's just go into mine really quick here. I'm gonna have to blur some of this out. My section title is buy more, pay less. I'll have to blur this part out. Basically, I want to get into exactly how I show my discounts. So this is how my volume discount tiers for my products are set up in my group. I have, you know, quantity 2 for 10% off, quantity 3 for 15%, quantity 4 for 25%. And that's exactly how I set it up on my store. Sometimes I split test it where I'll actually offer a higher discount if you buy two, but this has proven to work really, really well for me. So, you know, if you guys have this app, this is probably the #1 most important thing I'd say to do. And all this is going to do is it's going to put a table under your add to cart button that's going to say, you know, buy two, get 10% off, buy three, get 15% off, and then buy four, and it'll do a little plus. Four or more, the customer gets 25% off. So that's just really quick how I go into that app. Like I said, I'm gonna have to go ahead and blur that part out. I apologize for that. But if we go back to the dashboard here, so you guys can get a really good understanding of this app. The best way to go into it and dive into it would be to just install it and then go to the volume discounts button and basically do exactly what I did on my store. And I think that's going to really help you guys convert and get your average order value up. Sorry to interrupt you guys, but I do have to put my giveaway hat on. I know I got this off Amazon, but anyways, I have my giveaway hat on because we are doing another giveaway in this video, and all you guys have to do to be entered, I'll be announcing the winner in next video. All you have to do is on this video, just comment down below. You can comment up to 10 times. Every comment will be considered as an entry for the giveaway, and all you have to do is just comment down below and smash the like button, and you'll be entered to win the giveaway. It's going to be a 1-hour mentorship call with myself. We'll go over everything on your store, your ads, whatever it may be. Back to the video. What are the best 3 apps inside Vitals that I use that I recommend? Those 3 are going to be volume discounts. Number 1, most important, definitely install that and get that one up and running on your store as soon as you can. The next one would definitely be product reviews. Product reviews are huge. So let's go ahead and go into that really, really quick, and then I'll go into my third favorite app. But product reviews are huge. So basically for product reviews, you can import your own reviews on here, which is something I really like. I know Luke's has that ability, I believe, and same with Ali Reviews. So basically you can go to your reviews. This is just how to set up your settings, pretty simple. Basically, you can import your review and then you can edit the review however you want. And I really think that's smart before you have the real reviews, right? So, starting out, you're going to have to, not have real reviews on your product necessarily unless you go ask your friends for reviews, which I think is a really good idea as well. So you can go to your friends, ask for their review of the product, and then you can basically put their review on your store, or you can write your own reviews. And then after that, what you can do is you can go into basically your product review section in Vitals and import those reviews along with pictures of the product and someone using the product. So really simple way to go into your product reviews. The third app that I do recommend you get on Vitals would be the recent sales. Recent sales is very important because it provides trust for the customer that they're seeing that other people are ordering it. Now, you don't want to go too crazy on the recent sales, right? If you start having a pop-up there, especially on mobile, every 5 or 10 seconds, it's really going to piss them off. So what I do is I only have a pop-up. I have one that pops up in the first 10 seconds of them being on my product page, and then I have the frequency set on all the other pop-ups to be 30 seconds. So that way they're not getting spammed with, pop-ups every 5 or 10 seconds. They see one and then they wait, and then it basically, delays the next one and then the next one basically. So I think a 30-second delay is good. I've tested with shorter and I've tested with longer, and 30 seconds seems to be the sweet spot for my store. And it really doesn't annoy people. It actually ends up bringing them back in to purchase. So, the average time people spend on my product page is anywhere from 1 to 5 minutes, so that way they're only going to see about 10 different pop-ups if they're stayed on my product page. Most times they'll just be on my product page for 2 minutes, so they'll see 2 or 3 pop-ups and then they'll be totally okay with that. So that's definitely key in making sure that your customers trust you and trust your store. This is the app that I use that's really works well for me. I highly recommend it. I do have an affiliate link down below. You don't even need to use it. It really doesn't matter to me. I just partnered with them because I truly believe in this app, and I don't preach anything on this channel, and I don't like trying to sell you guys stuff unless I do believe in it. So I like the Vitals app. A lot of you, I'm sure, have it already installed. This is just a great video on exactly how you can set up your apps. If there's an app in here that you guys want me to go into further detail on next videos, then go ahead and leave that down below in the comments, and I will get to those apps and I'll basically go into further detail on those specific apps in Vitals. And I think that'll be a really productive video for you guys. Okay, you guys, the time has come. The giveaway winner is about to be announced. So I just went to, Google search random comment picker because it's the first time I've done an actual giveaway where I select the comment of this size. And we had over, I think it was like 1,700 comments. This is the video right here. Let's see how many comments we had. So we had 129 likes. Thank you guys for that. That's amazing. 1,600 views. I think that's my most viewed video. So really appreciate all your guys' support. It really means the world to me, seeing the comments going up. Comments, I had almost 1,797 comments. That's crazy. It definitely brings a smile to my face to know that you guys support the channel. You guys are taking a lot of knowledge from it, and that you guys support myself and support my good friend Brandon with this giveaway. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the giveaway. I'm going to be going into the random comment picker, and basically it looks like all we have to do is just enter the URL of the video. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the video URL, and we are doing this live, so I'm going to basically do that, and then we hit get YouTube comments. It's generating a lot of comments, so it's going to take a little bit here. Got it. All right, thanks for the best experience ever website. Look at these ads we have on here. These are very effective, I know, when they have the start now button there. It definitely draws your attention to that green button. Similar to dropshipping, right? If you have a green or red add to cart button. Okay, Connor, enough. You can shut up now. All right. So amount of comments 1,702. I don't know why. Some of them didn't register, I guess. Start raffle and pick a random winner. So let's go ahead and start the raffle and pick a random winner. Winner is Numzi, Nummzi. Audi RS7 is going to be Connor's next car. Wow, that was the comment. Okay, that's awesome. I didn't even know that that you commented that. So winner is Numzi. I'll be reaching out to you directly, and we will basically be setting up our call. Yeah, so I'll be reaching out to you directly. If your name is Numzi, go ahead and send me a DM, and we will basically confirm that that was you indeed commenting on the video, and we'll go ahead and get you set up and schedule your call with myself and Brandon. It's going to be an over a 2-hour call. So what I wanted to say for those of you who didn't win, I appreciate the support. We will be doing more giveaways like this. All you guys need to do for the next to be entered in the next giveaway is it's going to be a 1-hour call with myself, and it's going to be more of a mentorship call. I don't want to call it a coaching call, right? So, it's going to be a 1-hour mentorship call with myself. All you have to do is basically comment down below. You can comment up to 10 times. Every time you comment, that's an entry, right? So all you have to do is basically like the video and just comment on the video, with whatever you want. It can be, something that questions you have for me. It can be a comment about this video, or, it can just be hype. It can be value bombs, whatever it may be. Go ahead and just comment down below. Each comment is going to be an entry. So I'm really excited to see, maybe we'll get over, 1,800 comments. I don't know, but I'm hoping that this video provided you guys value and gets you guys closer to your journey. And as always, you guys, I say it in I can't even speak today. As always, guys, I say it in the end of every video, keep your mind right. Peace.